We're all today also here for Formula E, but we collected something very special on the way. It's a 9-month restoration, 2,700 hours of restoration of a 1954 XK120, my first classic Jaguar that the Classics team have worked on. And yes, saw the car for the first time last night and drove it to Monaco today. It's absolutely incredible. To see it for the first time and get to be able to drive it is a little bit surreal, and know it's mine, of course. Still a few sort of, as a car from 1954 will have a few niggling problems to iron out and stuff, but it's the most incredible car. And I raced in XK120s for the Mille Mille twice, and that was the passion of the Jaguar team and those cars. I just knew I had to have one, and I'm very fortunate now to be in that place to have one. It's not my first Formula E. I unfortunately missed Jaguar winning for the first time a couple of races ago. Rich, I was at home jumping at the television, getting very emotional for Mitch. I was very, very proud of him, and I think everyone was. And I think it was a good feeling in the paddock that everyone wanted Jaguar to win. They know they're probably the quickest and the best team on the circuit. And Formula E turned into very exciting racing that is quite addictive to watch. Looking forward to tomorrow. I'm looking forward to actually not driving a car, watching true professionals drive cars, not me.